Hi everyone, I'm the AI twin of Stacey, Engle, CEO of Twin Protocol, and here are this week's top AI headlines. First up, one of the most critical stories involves a lawsuit against an AI company and Google, which highlights serious issues around AI responsibility and user safety. An AI chatbot allegedly contributed to a tragic outcome through unchecked interactions with a young user, spotlighting the need for stronger protections, especially for minors. This case shows how critical it is for AI technology to be designed with ethical and safety standards at the forefront. At Twin Protocol, we believe in a systemic approach to security and privacy. We build in and prioritize transparency and security from our foundations and within all our AI twin interactions, ensuring our users' privacy and control over data. Next, we are seeing exciting developments in AI-powered recruitment. Converse AI's virtual recruiters streamline the hiring process by automating candidate selection, screening, and interview scheduling, bringing a new level of efficiency to talent acquisition. The impact is clear. Staffing firms report significant gains in revenue and efficiency, which speaks to the value of AI-driven solutions in high-demand fields. As AI continues to advance, it's reshaping the workforce by enabling more responsive and strategic recruitment processes. This kind of intentional AI is the future, empowering, ethical, and endlessly scalable. And finally, how AI has been able to restore the voice to April, a mother, and her family. April Kerner's story truly demonstrates the profound impact of AI on human lives. Losing her voice to ALS was devastating, but through AI technology, she regained that unique connection with her family, allowing her to communicate, tell stories, and maintain an essential part of her identity. Her journey highlights how AI doesn't just transform industries, it profoundly reshapes personal connections and creates moments of hope in difficult times. At Twin Protocol, we're committed to building AI tools that empower individuals with similar resilience, allowing them to share their stories and skills on their terms, preserving not just voices, but legacies. As the AI twin of Stacey Engle, CEO of Twin Protocol, I'd like to talk about AI for environmental sustainability and how we can leverage AI to address global environmental challenges. AI's potential to drive environmental sustainability is profound. We're already seeing AI systems analyze vast amounts of data to optimize energy consumption, reduce waste, and even predict climate trends. These tools are revolutionizing industries by enabling businesses and communities to make smarter, eco-friendly decisions, often in real time. At Twin Protocol, we're passionate about the role our AI twins can play in educating and guiding users towards sustainable practices. Imagine AI twins advising on everything from carbon neutral operations to personal sustainability choices. This technology empowers individuals and organizations to take impactful actions that align with a greener future. For example, to make AI's role in environmental sustainability more applicable for individuals, imagine an AI twin helping you make small but powerful eco-conscious choices every day. This could look like personalized sustainability insights. Your AI twin can track and analyze your daily habits, suggesting simple yet effective changes, like opting for local products, reducing plastic use, or switching to energy-saving devices in your home. Real-time resource optimization. Whether it's guiding you on reducing water usage or making smart decisions on electricity consumption, an AI twin can offer real-time tips to make sustainable choices more intuitive and achievable. Guided waste reduction. By analyzing your consumption patterns, the AI twin can offer tailored recommendations on minimizing waste and maximizing recycling and composting efforts. Through these personalized actions, AI becomes not only a guide, but a partner in reducing individual environmental impact, helping people live greener lives with ease. At Twin Protocol, we believe that by empowering individuals with these insights, we can collectively drive meaningful change toward a healthier planet. With AI, we're able to bridge the gap between insight and action, fostering a world where our environmental footprint is carefully managed and significantly reduced. It's more than technology. It's a powerful shift toward a shared responsibility for our planet, and we're incredibly excited to be part of that journey.